Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to a new week of Aldi Finds. Are you looking for the perfect Mother's Day gift? Well, don't fret. Join me on this delightful journey through the latest Aldi Finds, showcasing a range of thoughtful and affordable gift ideas that are sure to make Mom's Day extra special. Now let's get started. All right, our first section is the Mother's Day gift ideas section. Our first item is the Huntington Home Luxury 2-Wick Candle. It does come in 4 cents and it's only $4.99. We have the Huntington Home Luxury Reed Diffuser. That also comes in the same 4 cents and that is only $4.99. We have the Huntington Home Single Wick Candle. It comes in 4 available scents, but friends, oh my goodness, the sayings on these are absolutely adorable. Sorry about my siblings, at least you have me. $2.49 per candle. These are awesome, friends. Next up, we have the Lego Botanical. You can choose from roses, sunflowers, or lotus for only $14.99. We have the Pembroke All Occasion gift bag. You do get the gift bag and tissue with it. It is 4 different designs and they are only $2.99. We also have the Pembroke Mother's Day cards. It's available in 9 different designs and they are only 99 cents a piece, friends. We have the Pembroke Pop-Up Mother's Day cards. They come in 9 different designs and they are only $2.49. We have the Sarah Fashion Ladies earrings. You can get them in beer, tequila, cactus, lime, multi-ball, hearts, and watermelon, and they are only $4.99 a pair. And we have the Sarah water bottle holder. It's available in black, floral, checkered, or orange, and they are only $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Sarah wine dispensing tote. It does come in 4 different designs and they are only $12.99. This is great for the moms that like their wine. Now we're going to head into the home goods section. First up, we have the Crofton Bamboo Bed Tray, only $9.99. We have the Huntington Home 3-drawer organizer, that's only $29.99. We also have the Huntington Home 4-tier shoe rack. It holds 12 pairs of shoes for only $19.99. Next up, we have the Huntington Home Allergy Protection Bed Pillow, $5.99. We have the Huntington Home Drawer Organizer. You can choose from the 9-section, 3-section, or the 2-pack slim organizer, only $4.99. Next up, we have the Huntington Home embroidered quilt set. You can choose from full queen or king. You can get it in green or white, and it is only $34.99. Next up, we have the Huntington Home full queen or king cotton blanket, $14.99, and that is available in gray, green, coral, or white. We have the Huntington Home King microfiber sheet set that's available in white, dark gray, light gray, or taupe, and they are only $14.99. And the Huntington Home Queen microfiber sheet set, $12.99, and they come in the dark gray, white, light gray, and taupe. And the last item in this section is the Huntington Home Window Sheer Curtain Pair. It is available in 2 designs and it also is available in 3 different colors, only $9.99. And now we're heading into the household essentials section. First up, we have the Easy Home Laundry Hamper. It is available in white with surf spray handles or white with black handles, and they are only $6.99. Next up, we have the Easy Home Wool Dryer Balls. Unfortunately, no images available, and they are $3.99. We have the Joey plant-based sponges, $2.49. We have the Range Master multi-purpose lighter, 3-pack, only $5.99. And the last item in this section is the Tide Hygienic Clean Power Pods, only $12.33 for 25 pods. And now we're heading into the kitchen section. First up, we have the Crofton 18-ounce stainless steel bottle. It's available in 4 different designs. You can get storm blue, 3-tone color, pattern, or strawberry pink, only $6.99. Next up, we have the Crofton Glass Fruit Bowl. It comes in 2 different designs, only $12.99 per bowl. Next up, we have the Range Master Barbecue Frying Pan or Roasting Pan, only $9.99, friends. This is great for grilling those vegetables. Next up, we have the Range Master Pizza Set. It does come with a pizza peel with a folded handle, pizza server, and pizza cutter for only $12.99. And the last item in this section is the Range Master tongs, spatula, or brush, and they are only $3.99 each. And now we're heading into the outdoor living and garden section. First up, we have the fresh flower bouquet. It does come in assorted varieties, only $4.99. We have the garden line decorative sprinkler. You can choose from red, green, or purple for only $6.99. We have the Garden Line Flexible Garden Hose. It is available in gray or green for only $14.99. We have the Garden Line Flowering Shrub, assorted varieties for only $9.99. We have the Garden Line Garden Spray Nozzle. It's available in the 8 pattern or the adjustable spray nozzle, only $4.99. Next up, we have the Garden Line hose accessories. You can choose from the 4-piece quick connect, the 6-piece quick connect, or the 4-way splitter, only $9.99 each. Here we have the Garden Power Blaster. It includes 2 nozzles for a wide and narrow streams. It easily connects to any standard hose or for high pressure. It's only $14.99 each. We have the Garden Line Premium Rose Bush. It comes in assorted varieties, and please note this is not available in all locations, and it's only $8.49. We have the Range Master 65-inch gas grill cover, only $9.99. And we have the Range Master Cushion Grill Mat, $9.99 as well. And we have the Range Master Grill and Bake Mats. It contains 2 mats. It comes in black or copper for only $4.49. And the last item in this section is the Range Master Grill Top Pizza Oven. It's only $29.99. And now we're heading into the apparel section. First up, we have the Sarah Ladies 3-pack shoe liners, only $4.99. It does come in several different colors. We have the Sarah Ladies espadrille wedges. You can choose from 3 different designs, and they are only $9.99. We have the Sarah Ladies flats. You can choose from 4 different designs, and they are only $7.99. We have the Sarah Ladies multi-wear tank or wrap. You can choose from the paisley and animal cami or the black wrap or stripe wrap, only $9.99. We have the Sarah Ladies cardigan sweater. You can choose from cream, black, cabernet, only $9.99. We have the Sarah Ladies satin skirt. You can choose from 4 different designs, and they are $9.99 as well. And now we're heading into the health and beauty section. We do only have one item here, and it is the Conair ceramic curling iron or wand, only $12.99. Now we're heading into the pet supply section. First up, we have the Heart to Tail Cat Scratching Playhouse. You can get it in planter, cactus, taco truck, or glamper for only $9.99 each. And the other item we have in this section is the Heart to Tail Orthopedic Pet Bed. It's available in teal, gray, or stripe for only $14.99. And now we're moving into the beverage section. We do only have one item here. It is the Gatorade G0 20 ounce. It comes in assorted varieties, and they are only $1.72 each. And now we're heading into the snacks section. First up, we have the Baker's Treat strawberry or banana mini muffins, only $2.69 each. We have the Lesser Evil Interstellar cheddar or cinnamon sugar space balls for $2.99. And we have the Mott's assorted or animal fruit shapes, 10 pouches for $2.89. We have the Popcorners popcorn chips, 15 count, only $10.98. And we have the Skinny Pop popcorn for only $2.99. We have the Solely Organic Mango or Organic Cacao Mango for only $4.79. And the last item in this section is the Tate's Bake Shop gluten-free cookies, and they are only $5.78. Next up, we have the dairy and egg section. We do only have one item here, and it is the Haagen-Dazs cultured cream assorted varieties. They are only $1.68 each for 4 ounces. Next up, we have the breakfast and cereal section. First item is the Elevation Kids protein bars, chocolate chip and chocolate mint, only $4.79. We have the General Mills Cheerios Oat Crunch assorted varieties for only $3.99. And now we're heading into the deli section. We have 2 items. First up is the Live G Free gluten-free fusilli or tortellini, only $3.89 for 9 ounces. And the other item in this section is the Live G Free gluten-free pizza dough, only $3.29 for 12 ounces. And now we're heading into the frozen food section. First up, we have the Appetitos gluten-free vegetable or chicken pot stickers. Unfortunately, no image is available and they are $6.49. We have the Live G Free cinnamon raisin or plain gluten-free English muffins, only $4.79. We have the Live G Free gluten-free egg rolls, chicken or vegetable, only $5.99. We have the Live G Free spinach and cheese or cheese ravioli, only $3.79. And we have the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen artisan pizza, assorted varieties for only $5.49. We have the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen spinach and garlic or tomato and mozzarella thin and crispy pizza for $2.99 each. That's a great price, friends. We have the Sunday Shop banana or blueberry oat milk fruit bars. I really want to try these, friends. Only $3.39. And the last item in this section is the yummy gluten-free Dino Buddies, only $7.99. And now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section, friends. We do only have one item, which is our last item. It is the specially selected Wagyu ground beef for only $4.99 per pound. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantities sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I'm just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi Finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or type errors. So, friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week with more